Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. In this video, we are going to learn new words. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram or on Twitter, you will see that I share a new word every day. So in this video, we are going to study on the words of April. We will repeat all of them and learn how to pronounce them. And if I can, I will give an example for each of them. So if you are ready, we can start. So our first word is hanak. Hanak, it means joke. Hanak. Okay, hanak. Yes. But this he, I mean this h, it is not basic he. It is he. Okay, hanak. Hanak. It means joke. Hanak. The second one is gor. Gor. It means grave. If you want to say my grave, it's very sad. My grave is goraman, gorate, gorawi, gorawe, gorawe, gorame, gorawan. Okay? And we have mizgin or mizgini. It means good news, mizgini. For example, people translate Bible as mizgini, as a good news, mizgini. And the next one is tush. Tush is an adjective. It means sharp or hot. It means sharp or hot. For example, if you have a knife, you can say evker geleki tuje. This knife is very sharp. Okay, tush, tush. Or if you want to speak for foods, you can say evkharin geleki tuje. It's very spicy, hot. Okay. The next one is wate. It means meaning. Wate. Wate. Meaning. Okay. Next one is hasti. Hasti. It means bone. Okay. Bone. The next one is peyman. Peyman. It means agreement. Peyman. The next one is palang. Palang, it means tiger. Okay, palang. Palang. And we have kon. Kon means tent. Kon. The other one is esh. It means pain. But if you want to use this one as a verb, it will be eshin, as the infinitive, eshin, like to pain, to hurt. You can say serimin deshe. It means I have a headache. But literally it means my head is hurting. Serimin deeshe. Next one is sheer. It means milk. Sheer. Sheer. The other one is bjare. It means choice. Bjare. Choice. And as a verb it is bjarten, to choose. The next one is dujani. Dujani, it means pregnant. Dujani. The next one is shiret. Shiret, it means advice. Okay, shiret. And as a verb, it will be shiret karen, to advise. As shiret tikem to shiret tiki. Okay? The other one is Eid or Jajn. It means holiday or feast in a religion sense. Okay? Jajn or holiday. And next one is Deilik. It means female dog or beach. I mean, yes, beach or female dog. When you use as a beach, sometimes it has bad meaning. It is quite rude. So, for example, we have example. Az zanım today keki. I know you are a beach. Try to not use this word for people. It's quite rude. And next one is kuchuk. It means male dog. Kuchuk. And the example is F kuchuk yemeye. This dog is ours. F kuchuk yemeye. F kuchuk yemeye. Okay, kuchuk. And in some regions they say se or seg. Okay, se or seg. The next one is gardun. Gardun means universe. Gardun. The other one is bir. Bir means memory. And also beer means well of water, okay? But if I am not wrong, this beer is Iranic word, okay, beer. But the other one, I mean the same, we will write the same, which means well, beer. But the meaning of well, it's from Semitic languages. But I think it's quite nice because our memory is like a well, but maybe not of water, but of memories. Okay, it's quite. I think it's quite nice. Beer. It means memory and it means well of water. And the next one is pour. Pour means hair. The gender here I wrote masculine, but in some regions it is feminine. You can say poramen or poremen. It's fine. Poshman as an adjective, it means regretful or sorry. Okay. You can say as poshmanım. I am regretful. I am sorry. As poshmanım, to poshmani or poshmane. The other is bacht. It means luck, chance or fate. And we have naverok. It means contents. Okay, naverok. For example, naverok ave pertuke. The contents of this book, naverok ave pertuke. The other one is barkhadan. It means resistance and to resist. It's quite popular among Kurds because of the condition of life. Barkhadan. And the next one is roji. Roji is fast when people don't eat. Okay? And as a verb, it is roji girten. You can say as roji digram. I fast. I am fasting. Okay? And the other one is malbat. It means family. Malbat. You can say as malbat hastikum. I love my family a lot. And the other one is written. It means to shit. Okay, written. And the other one is hester or heser. It means tears when you cry. Okay, hester. The other one is root. It means naked or nude. Okay, naked. As root boom to root bui, like for past, I was naked, you were naked, etc. And the other one is kartol. Kartol means potatoes. Kartol. Yes, it was the last one, kartol. So I hope now you have an idea how to pronounce these words. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any just you can write me as a commentary, okay? And I want to thank all people who support me on my life, on my social accounts, okay? Thank you so much, and try hard and learn Kurdish, okay? Have a good day.